Class, welcome to week 8. Week 8 is a wonderful lesson in our course. It has one subject instead of two. It's the only week like this, but many students are coming off of midterms in other classes, and we're about to hit the last big push in our course. So this is a week that's there to give you a little extra time to work on your business, on your product, and if necessary, other courses that you're taking. So hopefully this week allows you to take a deep breath and catch up on things that you need to. The next 3 or 4 weeks will be fairly intense for our course. So to allow you some time to prepare for that, we have what I hope is a simpler week this week. So we will just go over ads and ad groups. You'll have a discussion board on that and a reflection, and that will be it. For the ads and ad groups assignment, you will begin writing your Google Ads. So last week you set up a campaign, you worked on keywords, so you kind of have the basic structure built. Now we're going to write the actual ad. There are a lot of resources on here. There's a lot of resources online on how to write a great text ad. Remember, Google's on your side with this. The more successful you are, the more likely you are to use their product, and the more ad revenue they will bring in. And so they're trying to help you out. So their content is very good. Their resources are very helpful. But in essence, on a text ad, you're going to write a headline. Excuse me. You're going to write a brief description, and then you'll have a link. Those elements are required, but what you say within those elements are up to you, and that's really where the art of Google ad writing comes in. You want a headline that catches their attention. You'll want a call to action somewhere in there. And then you want to think about how to deliver on what you promise in your ad. And this is really where the principle of integrity comes in to your online business. Customers will be assessing the integrity of your company from the moment they click on this ad. The integrity in the sense of, do you deliver on what you promise? And so when you're writing an advertisement to someone, you're making a commitment, you're making a promise. And you need to make sure you can deliver on that. And so it's not enough just to grab attention, because if you don't deliver on that, when someone clicks on the ad, then you've lost the customer. And moreover, they have then a bad impression of your brand. Google Ads allows you to reach thousands of people, which is the great advantage to it. Because using Google is almost ubiquitous across the world. It's obviously a highly used form, so a great way to reach people. And as you do that, one by one, they will start to form an opinion of your brand, and that becomes your reputation, and that becomes the hopefully success of your business. So think about that when you're writing your ads, that customers will be assessing the integrity of your business as soon as they click on it. So as I mentioned, tons of resources here. I think they're very, very valuable. Google Ads can be a powerful tool if used correctly. And for your assignment this week, you'll write an ad. Please make sure you have all those elements. As I mentioned, you'll have the headline, the description, and the URL. Make sure you have all of those elements, and then copy and paste that ad that you wrote into a Word document and explain one concept or principle from the reading, Write Successful Text Ads. That reading is required. The others are optional. And that will be it for your assignment this week. Besides that, you'll just have your discussion board and your reflection. So feel free to reach out if you've got questions on this or need help writing your ads or are stuck. I'd be happy to walk you through it. If not, I hope you enjoy a somewhat lighter week and are prepared for the upcoming weeks in our course.